Yeah, we are going to take one tree. It is so wide to see. Yeah, see this thorn tree? It's just looking like a dry tree, but it's not. It's just like that. See that center point? See that? Come. You can identify this. This is a very dry area. Got that? See that? See that evidence for that dry? This place. I think this place is the correct evidence for that. See that? It's a path for water to running in a rainy area. Now it is so dry to see. See that? So dry. Wow. Wow, hot. See that? Okay. See that clouds? It's so clear. There is no trace of rain. See that? See this red sand. Yeah. Can you see this crack? Yeah, it tells it is very dry area. Can you see this? Look at this. Look over here. Come see this. Look. Wow, what a dry sand. Now very hard. Yeah, this is a very dry plant. I think it has a medical value. See that? Yeah, it smells good. See this. Yeah, see this shrub. It's so good. See this. Can you see this? Yeah, see this. Yeah, now water. Yo, here there is a hole for snake. Snake. This is a snake's hole. I think it will be snakes. There will be snakes there. Can you check it out? Can we check it out there? Yeah. Now we want one stick. We want a stick. Okay. Just I want to turn the hand over there. Yeah, very long and it's very small. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, come. Leave that. Area. Can you see that? This hole. It's a place for snakes and mice. This is the area for the snakes and mice. See that? Very big hole. Very good hole also. Okay. See this? This hole. Wow, it just lie under the tree. Yes. Do you think this is a stone or a solid thing, anything? But it's not a solid. It's just like a sand over there. This look like solid because due to that very hot, and it's I think there may be rain before 2 days, at least 2 days maybe. It caused this dryness. Due to that wetness, it will be very tight over there. Do you want to see that? Here I got. See that? Just wow. Here. Come see. Yeah. See this. It looks like a solid, but it's not a solid. It's just a powder. It's very powder, sandy sand, and it's so hard. Now it's very easy to brittle. Yeah. It's not. I think it's a very good thing for playing, to draw and something. Okay. Okay, come, there's some creepies there. Okay. Yeah, come. See, what's that? fast. We should go. We should go fast. Go. Oh, fast. Oh. Yeah, I think we're missing them. They're the thief of this village. Come. They're going to go. Hide on that. Careful. Too fast. They're too fast. We can't take them because they're so fast. They have the vehicle, but we have no. Come quick, fast. We should catch them. Oh, they are so much. Come. Come over there. Quick. We should cut them. Wait it. Sit here. They're going there, but they're too fast. We got. Get out. Yeah. Oh shit.